Hello and welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time since I uploaded a video, and here is one showing how I changed the screen protector on my Lenovo Tab M11. First, I am cleaning the tab and the cover. The real product is the bubble wrap. Elevate your screen protection. I'm using the Pro Elite Tempered Glass Screen Protector, available on Amazon and Flipkart. You'll find the product link in the description. I've been very busy with studies lately, but I will upload a video soon showing how to take notes on the Lenovo Tab M11. Don't forget to subscribe. Videos will be uploaded to my channel soon. Adjust the tempered glass on the tablet, ensuring all corners are properly aligned. Align the screen protector perfectly, then hinge it to the tablet with guide stickers. I first wiped the screen with the provided wet wipes. Now, using the dry wipes, I wiped the screen. I'm using the dust sticker, making sure I get every last bit of dust off this screen for a perfectly clean finish. I am peeling off that backing film from the screen protector. Now, carefully lining it up and let's press it down. We need to make sure those pesky bubbles don't stand a chance. Seriously, my screen was throwing a tiny bubble tantrum. I spent ages making it behave, and now it's flawless. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe.